Hello friends, welcome. Today that is on October 3rd, 2022. So I have taken a trade. So I have taken four trades. So let's discuss how the trades went and let's dive into the video. So the first trade which I have taken, so that is from a metal sector. So let's see how the trade went. So before speaking about the stock, let's see how the metal sector was performing. So it was continuously going down. So you can see this trend, right, from here to here, from 11 to 11:45. So I tried to capture this swing. So accordingly, I have got a chance of taking a trade in a Jindal Steel. Here you can see after formation of this candle, so that is after formation of 11:10 candle. So I thought of taking a trade in Jindal Steel. So here you can see, so this is a bullish candle and this is a bullish candle. So accordingly at that time, so sector was also in uptrend, means it was going upwards. So accordingly I thought of taking a trade. So after formation of after 11:15 candle, so I have taken a trade. So my entry got triggered so in 11:35. So entry price was at 424.50. Sorry, entry was at 425.50 and I have placed my stop loss at 424. At below of this candle, at low of this candle was my stop loss and entry was 425.50. See here you can see, right? So it went till 427.95, means here you can see it has given me 1:1 ratio, but I did not book the profits, so it came down. So here so while coming down I was sure that it will definitely hit my stop loss. So because of which I exited in between. So my exit was at 424.50. So in this candle, so that is at 12:10 candle, I have exited my position. So I have exited at 424.50. So here you can see again it hit 424. From there it retraced. So this was the stock which I have traded from metal sector. So here you can say I exited in loss. So other three trades I have taken from banking sector only. So let's see how the trades went. Yeah. So here you can see, right. So this was going up. So let's see this swing from 10:25 to 1:45. This swing. So I thought of capturing this swing. So parallelly I got a chance of taking an entry from here to here, 1:45. Yeah, from here to here. So I thought of capturing this swing. So parallelly I got a chance of taking an entry in INDUSInd bank. So here it was making lower highs and higher highs in time 5 minutes time frame. So I thought of going for long position. So my entry was at 1162 and it got executed in 1240 candle, and I have placed my stop loss at below of this candle. So stop loss was at 1160. So here you can see. So I have exited at 1168.40. So that is in 125 candle. I have exited my position. 1168.40 was my exit point, and the entry was at 1162, and the stop loss was at 1160. So here I wanted to give you a disclaimer. So you should be very careful while placing the stop loss. So many times by not properly placing stop loss, I exited in loss. So here also means I don't know so how this manipulation happens, because I'm completely a beginner in a stock market. So I am still in the learning phase. See here, after formation of this swing, so I thought of taking an entry. So after formation of after 130, so I noticed this pattern, and I thought of going for shorting. So my entry price was at 1170, and my stop loss was at 1172. Uh, so in the same candle, yeah. So in the same candle, so that is in 140 candle, it hit my stop loss, and entry also got triggered. So in 140 candle only, entry was 1170, and stop loss was 1172. Here you can see afterwards again it came down. So I have placed my stop loss at the high of this candle, taking some points as buffer. So I have placed high of this 120 candle, but you can see here it hit my stop loss. So afterwards it did not hit this high. See here you can notice, right? After that here it did not hit this level. So that is what I am saying. So be very careful while placing the stop loss. See here also in Jindal Steel, there are many stocks like that. So here you can see if someone has taken here entry here somewhere, and after formation of this, so it is continuously hitting the stop losses. See, so these all are the stop losses. On every swing it hit their stop loss. Who has placed some buffer, so after that, so people here they exited, and it gave a good rally. So the last talk that we'll be discussing, so that is Axis Bank. So market was in downtrend, right? So accordingly, so I also thought of going for shorting during this swing. So I thought of going for short position. So accordingly, I got a chance of taking an entry in Axis Bank. So after formation of this swing, so that is after formation of 125, 130 swing. So I thought of going for a shorting. So I have placed my entry at 732, and my stop loss was at 733.50. So in this candle, okay, I think in 155 candle trade got executed, and here you can see after that it came down. So I have exited at 726, 0.20. So I think in this candle, so that is at yeah. So I think in 245 candle, I have exited my position at 726.20. Yeah. So based on my previous observations, so I came to know one thing. So whenever the market is in downtrend, so do not exit in between. So it might give you a very good rally. So I did not observe in uh, bullish momentum side. So but when the market is in bearish momentum side, so do not exit. So market falls very fastly, right? So while falling, so it might give you big returns. This is the mistake which I'm making continuously. So yeah, friends, that is all for today. See you in the next video.